Dr. Blumenthal back with you, Natural Transplants here in the DC office. And we are thrilled we have Diamond here today. Diamond.
Hi.
Diamond's a little shy today, so I'm going to do all the talking. But so thankful for you here. You're from Delaware, coming in, have some traction. Had a widow's peak. She loves her widow's peak, so we're going to keep the widow's peak. We're just going to drop everything down. If you wouldn't mind, can you just sort of pull your hair back just so we can kind of show exactly what we're working with today? And I'll have you, Ron, look left and right. So we got a moderate amount, but you have wonderful density for this. You should have a really good result. So we'll draw everything else on. We'll draw the line on. We'll come back and check on you a little bit. Sound good? Awesome. We'll see you in a little while. All right, we are back with Diamond, and we drew the line, obviously. As you can see, we kept the widow's peak, but made it much more subtle. She wanted the widow's peak, but much more subtle, as you can see right there. So it's still there, but not quite as defined. Like I said, mild to moderate on the sides. Really good density. Got a couple volume on board. Thumbs up.
Yes,
you ready to do this? We'll check on you a little later, okay? All right, Diamond, we are finished. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, how'd today go? You can be brief, but be honest.
It wasn't that bad. I know I heard a lot of
Good.
stuff about the numbing. I would say it's like a 5, 6 out of 10.
Okay.
So it wasn't bad.
You survived it.
Yes, exactly.
Good. You didn't scream, you didn't yell, you didn't punch anyone. You did fantastic. You have a very high pain tolerance, so I think you did great. Yeah, we watched some movies or some shows today. And so we had a good lunch. It was nice. We had a fun day today. Most importantly, we did a good job. So that's the most important thing. So I'm going to zoom in. I love it. There's the widow's peak. It's there, but it's not like overwhelming and overpowering. I thought it's a really nice. We did a really nice job.
Yes.
You did a nice job.
Thank you.
Looks beautiful. I can't wait. We just snap my fingers and move forward a year, and we get the results. Any words of advice? Anybody out there? You were thinking about it for a while. What what would you tell someone if they're sort of on their journey?
I don't know.
You know.
I guess do it when you're ready. Don't just do it on a whim.
Yeah.
Like, just look into it. Do your research.
Do your research. Yeah. Great. Good advice. Well, welcome to the family. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll keep in touch with you. I'll call you tomorrow, like I said, and we'll follow you throughout the year, and hopefully we'll see you in a year, and it'll be a full set of hair blown in the wind.
Sounds
All right.
good.
All right.
Yes.
Thanks for this. All right. Bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.